Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how we can cook the white rice. It's very simple and easy. First we need 1 cup of rice. I'm using basmati rice. I'm going to add in them 2 cups of water. Here we go. And also I'm going to add with them 2 stalks of chicken. Just do it like this. If you don't like to add chicken stocks, you can add beef stock, and if you don't like to add any stock, you can add just 1 teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to mix them and then leave them until boil. So I'm going to leave them about 5 to 7 minutes until bring to boil and all the water get evaporated, and I'll see you after that. Okay guys, so this is after 5 to 6 minutes. The water just evaporated. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter on the top. So as you can see, still a little bit of water. Now I'm going to cover the rice and put it on the lowest heat. Like on my gas, I'm going to put it on number 1. So this is the lowest heat, and I'm going to leave them for about 20 minutes to cook very. Okay, and I'll see you after 20 minutes and I'll show you how the rice will be so delicious and yummy. See you after that. Hi again guys, so this is after we cooked the rice after 20 minutes. Now the rice is ready. Looks so yummy. It cooked very well. Also smells so delicious. So this is the basmati rice. You can cook it with chicken stocks, and also you can add only salt. Ay. And also, if you are interested to check the link on the top of the video of how we can make the Lebanese rice, and I hope you enjoy it. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. You find it easy. Please stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Enjoy. Bye.